Hello friends. Today you gonna learn most important, and very necessary, alphabetical list of contractions, or shorter form of longer sentence, for speaking and reading. So note down, and practice with me. Let's start. A not equals aren't. Aren't you busy? Cannot equals can't. You can't go there. Could not equals couldn't. I couldn't think so. Did not equals didn't. Didn't you write a letter? Do not equals don't. They don't know about it. Does not equals doesn't. She doesn't work here. Had not equals hadn't. I hadn't a chance. Have not equals haven't. I haven't thought so. He is equals he's. He's my best friend. He has equals he's. He's gone to private. He will equals he'll. He'll talk in English. He would equals he'd. You'd be grateful. He had equals he'd. He'd written. Here is equals here's. Here's my homework. I am equals I'm weak in English. I have equals I've a bright future. I will equals I'll learn this lesson. I would equals I'd like to talk. I had equals I'd to go there. Is not equals isn't. Isn't it hard? It is equals it's a easy task. It has equals it's done by me. It will equals it'll work well. Must not equals mustn't. You mustn't waste your time. She is equals she's my sister. She has equals she's learned the lesson. She will equals she'll be nice girls. She would equals she'd like to talk about it. She had equals she'd to run fast. Should not equals shouldn't. I shouldn't give your money. That is equals that's the way to speak. There is equals there's nothing visible. They are equals there. They're very clever. They have equals they've lots of chances. They will equals they'll play well. They would equals they'd be great social workers. They had equals they'd to work. Was not equals wasn't. I wasn't sick yesterday. We are equals were social being. We have equals we've to wait for him. We will equals we'll be okay. We would equals we'd like to participate. We had equals we'd done the work. Were not equals weren't. We weren't busy then. What is equals what's the matter? Where is equals where's he? Who is equals whose problem? Who will equals who'll go there? Will not equals won't. I won't work more. Would not equals wouldn't you report? You are equals you're so cute. You have equals you've been so far. You will equals you'll be okay within 2 days. You would equals you'd be invited. You had equals you'd done the work. Thanks for watching.